All right, welcome back. All right, let me just delete this stuff. So the next part we're gonna be talking about is ranges. All right, cool. So I'm just duplicating my layer, activate the plugin, and then let's go back here. Let's say I do that, we have that. Okay, no, that looks that. Let's see, let's come this side. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm cool with that. That's not what I would go for, but I'm just saying, cool, we've created that. Cool. All right, so now the range comes in. So you can see at the bottom, we've got the shadow, the maintenance, and the highlight. So this is like adjusting. I don't know what I can use to. I think if you're someone that uses a lot of hue and saturation, I hope I'm using the right English, there's a range at the bottom where you're able to target some particular part of the skin in the photo. Do you get me? And that is what we have here, where you can target. I'm just gonna move it around and you're just gonna see the effect, because you can see now it's having, oh goodness, you can see I don't even need to wait for you to see the difference. So okay, if I go all the way, you can see that. If I go oh, so this just helps you to manipulate the ranges of how strong you want the effect that you've created to be applied to your photo. I know myself, I'm not gonna lie about this, I know myself, I'm not gonna use the range a lot because it's not something I'm a fan of. I go 100. Like, yeah, I think the only time I will come to using the range is, let's say I'm shooting a commercial shoot and they want something in a very specific way, they want me to color grade in a specific way, cool, then I'll come in here. But remember, I'm trying to make my life easier. I want to do 1, 2, 3 and go home and eat, and okay, I'm already at home, my goodness, but you get me. I want to do stuff, be happy, and move on. And based on what I've been doing so far, I'm already happy. And I'm someone that I've got OCD. So when I do, like, let's say when I'm working on the shadows in this circle, I'm making sure it's right at that spot that I want it to be. If I'm working on the main tones, I'm making sure it's right at that spot that I want it to be. And I'm working on the highlight, I'm making sure it's right at the spot I want it to be. So I've got OCD. So everything I will do is already quite specific, hence why I know that I'm not going to use the range quite often. But for other people, this will help you out a lot. If you've done something already and you don't want to touch it, you just want to use the range to adjust it, because that's the other advantage of it. You've done it, you leave it like that, and then you just work on your range to fine tune, give it that nice finesse, you know, seal it, get the stuff done. But yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this episode so far, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.